Hi. So let's have a look at how the Add Keywords By tab under searchads.com can help you with your search ads campaigns. So the main thing you can see here is you can search for an app and then directly see how many keywords they are bidding on Apple Search Ads. And on the list down here, you're able to see those individual keywords. On the keyword level, we can see some very important metrics such as the search score or the way Apple likes to identify it, the search popularity. This will tell you how popular a keyword is. You can see if this app is organically ranking on this keyword, and you can see the total number of apps. But most importantly, you're able to see the impression share of your app on this keyword. So this means that out of 100 times people search for workout games, Strong Workout Tracker is appearing 22 times. So this means that across all of these different apps, these guys have the most impressions. So this helps us to understand which keywords an app is prioritizing, how competitive it is, and who I will be competing against if I were to bid on this keyword. On the other hand, you can also do this search based on a keyword, or you can just click on the keyword and then see which apps actually bid on this keyword. So you can see a complete list of your competitors alongside their organic rankings on this keyword. Furthermore, you're also able to add these keywords to your keyword cart. So I can select some of these keywords and then instantly start running Apple search ads on these keywords through the dashboard. So this is a very fast way of finding new keywords and instantly start bidding on them.